Hey everyone, are your Facebook Messenger conversations not loading? Are you seeing the error couldn't load conversation or just a blank inbox? This can happen due to network issues or app glitches. No worries, in this video I'll show you how to fix it without breaking your sweat. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Turn on and off airplane mode. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 1. Clear Messenger cache. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps or App Management. Find and tap on Messenger. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might slow down the app. Your chats and data will stay safe. Solution 2. Reset Network Settings. Open the Settings app. Tap More Connectivity Options. Scroll down. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Now simply tap Wi-Fi or mobile data. It will reset your network. Solution 3. Check Facebook server status. Visit Down Detector and search for Facebook Messenger. If lots of users report issues, it's probably a temporary server outage. Wait a few hours and try again. Sometimes the problem is on Facebook's end and not yours. That's it. Your Messenger inbox should now load properly, and the couldn't load conversation error should be gone. If this helped you, please like the video and comment below with any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.